Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. Now today in this video tutorial, I will show you how to cancel Uber One subscription. Now as you can see, Uber One is a subscription where you have rides and delivery together. You basically have groceries, stuff like that, right? And you want to basically go and cancel this. So how can you actually cancel this? So as you can see right here, how do I cancel my Uber One membership? Now I can go here and basically it's very simple. You tap the profile icon on your app. Usually you can do this within your app. You can also do this on your desktop as well. But basically you just tap Uber One. Once you tap Uber One, you can scroll and tap Manage Membership. Now once you click Manage Membership, from there you will be able to either end membership or you will be able to cancel membership if you want, right? So as you can see, if you're less than 48 hours before your next renewal, please contact support because you won't be able to cancel. So let's say in 2 days, my trial, or not my trial, but my plan will renew. I will have to go and I will have to contact support. Now, as you can see, if you're on a free trial of Uber One and cancel your membership, then your membership benefits will end upon cancellation. So once you cancel, immediately the benefits will end. Now, for all other memberships, you'll have access to your membership benefits until the end of your current billing period. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can cancel Uber One subscription. If you have any questions or maybe comments around this, then definitely comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.